Posterior crowns. Posterior crowns should be handled much the same way as anteriors. They come in two variations, full coverage and buckle-only coverage. We use the incisal-lock feature on the occlusal and buccal areas of the full coverage, and on the buccal surface of the buckle-only coverage crowns. The buckle-only crowns are more popular on the upper arch, since the occlusal table isn't seen as much. They are more durable considering the child is biting on the steel surface. Parents who want white teeth, however, seem to want all full coverage, so this option is available and a very viable one. Start with bulk preparation. Again, our prep kit is a great tool that keeps all the burrs you'll need handy. A tapered or football-shaped diamond such as 855 or 368 shapes are the most popular choices for the initial bulk reduction. You will need to prepare more than with a conventional stainless steel crown. The occlusal will need to be reduced about 1.5 to 2 millimeters to allow adequate clearance for the crown. 2 millimeters is recommended for long-term durability. After bulk reduction of all aspects of the tooth, fine-tuning can be done with a fine diamond. This is when all sharp corners can be rounded slightly. There are a couple of products that can help determine if you have enough occlusal reduction. One, and we think the better of the tools for this, is a product called Occlusal Reduction Ring from Clinician's Choice. They come in 1, 1.5, and 2 millimeter sizes. We recommend starting with the 1.5 millimeter size. If you're still having trouble getting enough clearance, then switch to the 2 millimeter size. Another one that's been on the market a bit longer is the flexible clearance tabs from CurLab. These are rubber tabs that are placed over the prep. Then the child is instructed to bite together. If you can slide the tab out without it catching, you have the amount of clearance. They come in 1, 1.5, and 2 millimeter thicknesses. We recommend the 1.5 or 2 millimeter. Please contact us if you need further information on where to buy these products. This diagram shows the flexible clearance tabs in use. If the bite is still high after reducing as much as you are able on the prep, the opposing should be the next area to be adjusted. The composite on the occlusal surface should not be trimmed if at all possible. If it is reduced, the strength of the composite could be compromised. Slight adjustment of the interproximal contact areas on the adjacent teeth may provide a better fitting restoration. The crown can be crimped slightly on the lingual and into the interproximals if desired. Remember to stay away from the composite metal junction. Once fitted, the crown can then be filled with the proper cement ready for cementation. For cementing, whatever you use for plain stainless steel crowns is fine. We recommend resin-modified glass ionomers. The crown is placed and the cement is allowed to set according to the manufacturer's directions. After the cement has set, it can be cleaned up following the manufacturer's recommended procedures. This would be a good time to check the occlusion with articulating paper and make any adjustments on the opposing that might be required.